What makes eggs float or sink? The secret is water density. To demonstrate, we use some cups, a spoon, some water, salt, and some raw eggs. Get started by filling a cup of water about an inch from the top. Then gently place an egg into the cup of water. If you're using a fresh, raw egg, it will sink to the bottom of the water. Now fill a second cup with water, but this time add a few tablespoons of salt into the water. Stir the salt into the water until the salt dissolves and you have a nice saltwater mixture. Then place an egg into the salt water. The egg should float in the salt water thanks to the salt water being much more dense than the fresh water. Take it to the next level and see if you can get a third egg to hover between floating and sinking. It may take some trial and error to get the salt to water ratio just right. Once the ratio is right, the egg will stay suspended in the middle of the cup because the diluted salt water and the egg are now the same density.